Hi Capricorns, let's see your mid-February reading for you and your person in the middle of the month of February 2021. Okay, so let's get started. What is there for my Capricorns in the middle of the month of February 2021 for my Capricorns and their person? Let's see whether this person is your Valentine also or not, because it can be a Valentine as well, this person with whom you are dealing with, or it does not has to be. Okay. What is going on with my Capricorns? What is happening with my Capricorns? Okay, so this is going to be a general reading, Capricorns. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. If you are feeling that it is not your story, do not try to make it your story as well. All right. Let's get started now for my Capricorns. Let's see. Okay, so your feelings towards them and their feeling towards you. Wow. Isn't this just wow, Capricorns? 9 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. Okay, I think something is coming up. Something really is happening with you right now. Okay, what is the obstacle in this relationship? 5 of Cups. Okay. Your actions. Wow. What is happening, Capricorns? And their actions. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So this is purely someone's reading over here today. Final outcome, the Emperor. All right. So, well, I don't feel that I need any clarifications, because I can feel that it is just a wonderful reading. It is going to be because, your feelings towards this person, you feel grateful. You feel that, wow, I have met somebody, emotions are coming up. You feel good. You feel happy. You feel satisfied. This is the feeling of satisfaction. This lady is sitting over there. She does not need anything. Okay, it's looking to her that she don't even care. See how these two things are literally, they are fighting, I guess. I don't know, whatever is happening. So she is out of the world. She is not even thinking what is going on around her, and she is really happy with this relationship. So it is you who is really happy, who is content. This is the feeling of content, grateful, happiness, satisfaction. We can sum it all in the 9 of Cups when we feel happy. Their feelings towards you with the 10 of Cups, it's looking to me that they feel that you are literally marriage material. You are, their feelings towards you, you are independent. They feel that you are making your money as well. You are doing good in your life. You can be their wife or husband. So they are thinking about a long-term relationship with you, in short, Capricorns. Okay. The obstacle, I feel the problem is the obstacle over here, because the things are fine. It's the past. Somebody has not healed from a relationship of past. It can be you, it can be them as well. Let's see why the 5 of Cups is here. What kind of the obstacle are we talking about? Why is the 5 of Cups here for my Capricorns and their person? What obstacle is there? I feel that there are emotions which are still, when we are thinking about the past sometime and we feel like, please let those things end first, then I will enter in other relationship. It's that feeling. Let's just clarify once. 9 of Wands. Yes, somebody is literally tired of those past relationships, and it's looking to me as if it's you. It can be them as well, because you are tired from all those, daily ups and downs and daily feelings. See how this person is literally tired, and he is just standing over there, and it's like, I'm still ready to fight back. But still mentally you are ready to fight. Physically you can be ready, but not mentally. Your emotions are literally exhausted. You are feeling exhausted at this moment, and you want peace, you want calmness in your life. So that is why you're not entering in this relationship, or if you have already entered, you're not giving that much level to this relationship physically. Well, mentally you know, emotionally you know that this is a person, because I'm seeing cups in your side. So emotions have developed in your side, and a lot emotions. Your actions towards them, so two of cups, I'm seeing a date over here. So this Valentine is going to be really good for you, or it can be Valentine or not not only in Valentine, but yes, around this time in February, March, you are meeting this person, you are having a date, good, basically a very good moment with this person. This is your action towards them. What are their action towards you? Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let's see. I think their wheel has turned in the favor of, you know, good luck. When you have come up in your life, in their life, they feel that good fortune has also come up. Let's see. Let's clarify this. Wow, 10 of Cups. Isn't this just a beautiful reading of today? I feel, Capricorns. 10 of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. I don't need to say anything. It's looking to me, you can see the picture over here, how happy this person is with this lady. You know, they are happy, they are married, they have children and pets and everything. You know, it's just the dog, cat over here. Two children. I see there are 3 children. Okay, so whatever this is, it really feels happiness to me for this person towards you, and you feel the same. It's just the past and other things you are fighting from. Otherwise, it is just awesome. What is the final outcome? I'm really concerned about the outcome. Why the Emperor is here? What is the Emperor trying to tell us? 6 of Wands and 6 of Swords. Okay, so I feel that yes, Emperor is trying to tell us over here that, you know, some decisions need to be taken from mind sometimes. Yes, you are emotionally involved and you are very much stable, getting stable with this person, getting involved with this person. But yes, sometimes you have to think from your mind. You have to feel that when the time is right, you have to react at that particular time only. Emperor tells us that. Just be precise about it. Emperor talks about emotions only when they are required. If the emotions are not required at this particular moment, so it means that yes, you have to rethink about it. You don't have to rethink about the relationship, you have to rethink about when to connect with this person. 6 of Wands with the 6 of Swords, so 2 sixes are over here. So this is a very give and take kind of a relationship, I feel. And yes, I also feel that a lot of care and emotions are involved in this relationship. Victory is here. You both are actually moving towards peace, towards calmer waters with each other. But only when you will move from the 5 of Wands and 5 of Swords, then only you are entering into 6 of Swords and 6 of Wands. So that means you have to end all those past issues between not each other, but in your personal lives. And then when you will move on together, it will be a very beautiful 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles relationship. So far this is the best reading for me today. I am really glad I did this reading. Okay, so that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.